Natural beauty starts with clean, healthy skin. And clean, healthy skin starts with nature. For 30 years, Forever Living Products has been a leader in finding and perfecting natural sources for softer, smoother, beautiful skin. And we've just found another. Introducing new Avocado Face and Body Soap. Made with 100% pure avocado oil, Avocado Face and Body Soap loves your skin, moisturizing as it cleans with the natural, rejuvenating properties of this powerful fruit. Avocado Face and Body Soap works with all skin types. It gently cleanses oily skin with no irritation, keeping pores clear and healthy. For dry, sensitive skin, it soothes quickly and penetrates deeply to nourish and moisturize. The natural properties of pure avocado make it the perfect food for your skin. It's a rich source of vitamins A, B, D, and E, all essential for healthy skin. It's loaded with potassium to help deliver these vitamins quickly and evenly to the deepest layers of your skin for complete cleansing and moisturizing. It's high in monounsaturated fatty acids to help soften and revitalize rough, dry, or aging skin. It has antioxidant and healing properties to help stimulate collagen, retain elasticity, and help damaged or problem skin. And because it's a moisturizer and a cleanser, Avocado Face and Body Soap continues working long after you bathe. To complement the avocado, this enriched cleansing formula is infused with natural citrus, a fragrant reminder that it's helping to keep your skin soft and supple all day long. Beautiful skin is clean, healthy, nourished skin. Give your skin what it's thirsty for. The pure avocado in new Avocado Face and Body Soap from Forever Living Products.